Is your Cox internet slow or not working, even though everything looks connected? In this video, I'll show how to properly restart your Cox modem or router to fix common internet problems like slow speed, no connection, or Wi-Fi dropping. Let's get started. Why restart your Cox modem or router? Restarting your router helps with slow internet speeds, buffering, lagging, connection drops, devices keep disconnecting, software glitches, frozen settings, unresponsive router, post-outage recovery, after a power flicker or storm. Method 1. The right way to restart, soft reboot. Unplug the power cable from your Cox router. Wait 30 seconds, this clears the memory. Plug it back in and wait for all lights to stabilize. Check your connection, should be faster now. Method 2. Restarting remotely, using router web interface. Connect your mobile or laptop using wired or Wi-Fi connection from Cox modem or gateway. Open web browser and access 192.168.0.1 Cox default login IP address. User admin as default username and password or admin for password. Find default login settings printed on the Cox modem sticker. Press login button to access router settings. Now navigate to troubleshooting option from left side menu. Then go to Reset and Restore Gateway. Press Reset button to restart gateway and wait while gateway restarting and internet lights stable again. After few minutes check internet. Method 3. Restarting remotely, using Spectrum app. Download and log in Cox app. Open the Cox My Account app. My Services section, locate the equipment you want to reboot. Tap Reset Equipment button. Now tap Begin Reset button. Cox router or modem will restart and take few minutes to finish. Wait 2 to 5 minutes. Once Cox router restart complete, then check your internet. And that's it. Restarting your Cox modem or router is super easy and fixes most issues. If this video helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.